gonna unpack the Divoom Pixioo 64. Let's see, do we slide? Yeah, we slide this. We got a nice Divoom logo. And then we just lift the box. There's some soft protecting foam here. This might be. Ooh. I think this is it. It's packed in paper and then protective foil. You're gonna need to wipe it one time because it's a little bit dusty because of the foil, I think. We got this manual. We got a certificate that says that it has been checked. Some USB to USB-C. This looks like some knobs or something. And this is the adapter. I've got a European plug, but you're probably gonna get an American. At the back here, we see that this is the stand. We can pull it out. And then we can attach it to the back. There's also some bits here to hang it on your wall, which I'm gonna do probably. I'm gonna hang it up and not let it stand. So what you can do with this is you can have drawings for 62 by 62 pixels on it. There's a lot of community drawings you can put on here, animations. You can have your followers on Twitch or Instagram or YouTube or something on here. You can have a clock on here, the weather. There's a lot of options to display in this one.